we're still on the full house prime and paint, and we're down to the trim now. It's been a minute since I updated you, so I wanted to bring you along today and kind of show you where we're at. I mean, quite a bit of time lapsing because it's paint and trim and it gets repetitive just like anything. And I mean, I'm just out here trying to make some content for you guys, and I hope you can enjoy. We're here, got all the walls done, all the ceilings done. They're getting ready to start putting up their cabinets in here. Got all this done. Really good job here. All this, working on the trim. Got this room, beautiful bathroom. Love the paint. Down the wall. Down the wall, it's a flat paint. It's a good product. This room's 100%, it's done. Looks good. All the trim, all the doors, everything's done. Looks good. Still working on trim, so I'll set y'all up on a time lapse and we'll get it going. Got this Pro Classic smooth enamel. Man, this stuff is great. Great. I'm brushing rolling it. I mean, it lays down like it looks like it's been sprayed. Give it a good shake. Hopefully the camera angle is good. Already sanded. Ready to go. Got a green in there, but I'm just going to use a little pan. I'm just going to cut out these, I think. Yeah. Alright. Now you got this sanded. What I like to do, get something back behind that door. They ain't got their stops on yet. Do all the panels first. Try to show you here. I'll go back and back roll it. That's how I like to paint a door there. Now I'll get you on the time lapse. Alright guys, got one coat on the baseboard in here, everything touched up. Like I said earlier, this room's done, 100%. I got this room done, 100% trim. Everything's done, everything's good. Brush and roll, good, looks good. What's that, Promar, or not Promar, what the heck? Pro Classic. Promar. Contractor grade. But yeah, that's what we got. Still got a little bit to go, but we'll get it. I can't wait to get on this fireplace. Get all that sanded down, prime, wood primer, painted. Oh, it's gonna look nice. Alright, I'll try to keep you guys updated. They're gonna be hopefully putting these in tomorrow, all these cabinets. But alright guys, we'll see you next time. Hey Manny.
Are you still making a video?
Here. Yeah. Carson and Maddox go at it. And then Kylie and Carson will do something to Kylie. Kylie will go out and Russell Wiley. She's Carson, but then she's hard on him. I'm like,
Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below and love our videos.
Yeah.
Bye.
Well, you know.